You're gonna do a lot of editing.
Hey, what is up, you guys? So it is New Year's Eve, the last day of 2020. What better way to start the new year than to show you a video of me and the guys in the garage. We may have had a drink or two and, you know, New Year's, alcohol. It's, they kind of go hand in hand. So let's get to it. You're videoing yourself.
Oh, my turn.
Hey, okay. Now you're looking at me. Now look down here. Now look down here. Okay. So once I get this on, this is the intake, and I put the carburetor on it. Plug up that.
And that goes to the heater core, right?
That goes to the
Wait,
heater core.
but you're gonna plug it up?
Finally got the port. So
because you need heat. Sorry.
I don't really need heat. I just need that damn hole to be plugged up because otherwise it's gonna spew all over the place. It's gonna be coolant like gushing out everywhere. Put the carburetor on here. That's where that goes. And then run some lines going around here. and then it's gonna start.
Sweet.
Where's the carburetor at?
I can hear it already.
It will go right there.
Where is it?
It's somewhere over there.
It's a Toyota. It's going. It's not going. It's going.
And that's it. Ben found it. So this goes on here somehow.
You gotta find the holes.
I can't find the holes. So that goes on there like that. Ben, grab the filter. That's it. Grab the whole thing. Give me that.
You're bossy little bitch, aren't you?
In my garage, so.
Why you have a pony in the back of your Tacoma?
That's gonna be the funniest.
You have to ask my wife about that. So this goes here somehow. I'm not sure how, but it goes like this. And then some damn fuel lines go like this. And then it starts.
Sweet. You're fucking close.
And then it doesn't catch on fire like it did last time. But if it does, I have this thing here.
Wait, gotta pan out, make sure. This...
What the fuck?
So here's the MSD. So this is gonna go like here somehow.
Wait, what is that?
It's the MSD. It gives it like a lot of spark. This is like for like a Corvette or something like a V8, something important. Like this car here.
So,
this car here doesn't need this much power, but this has it right here.
Is that why it caught on fire?
No.
I'm sorry.
Plugs into this damn thing, and then it makes the engine magic.
Brrr. That's where the Toyota goes.
It's Sunday, right?
Sunday.
And
so today
is Friday, folks.
I just have to connect this thing to this thing, and then put that on there, and then it's gonna run like magic.
Cha-ching! Brrr. Let me ask you a question. So, this is the difference between Toyota engine sound like a brrr, or what's your muffler like? Okay, so it's going to sound like a.
Okay, so what happened 20 years ago? I went to the exhaust shop and I told them I wanted a 2 1/4 inch exhaust. And what they did is they welded my old exhaust to my new exhaust, and I've never been happy with it. And it has a glass pack on it, and I hate the freaking glass pack because every time you rev it up, it's like pop, 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 pop. And I'm not a BMW kind of guy. So I don't have any more content right now.
Over and out.
Okay, over and out. Here you go.
If you like what you see, please share, like, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one.
Thumb down for Steve.
Peace.
All right.